you today? So today you are going to work on an art project and you're going to follow my instructions as I do them, okay? What do you think that we're going to be doing today? We are going to make something for mom because you know something? We are going to be celebrating Mother's Day. Did you know that? Okay, so we all love our moms and we're going to make them something special. Look what I did. I made a heart tree. I'm gonna teach you and show you how I made this step by step. Okay, you wanna do it? Let's see. These are the materials that we are going to be using. We are going to use watercolors. You don't have to have every color in here. In fact, I'm just going to use this red, another one a little bit lighter, and this pink. Okay, but if you don't have all of these, you can use just normal red. Okay, you need the watercolors. You're going to use paintbrushes, okay, pencil, eraser, scissors, you can use your little ones, and some color markers, okay, and you're going to be using 2 white sheets of paper, okay. You can use 2 white sheets of paper and I am going to be using 1 blue sheet of paper, okay. If you don't have blue, you can use white, it's no problem, okay. Okay, first step. The first thing that you're going to do is take one of your white sheets of paper. You are going to bend it half like this. Okay, it's going to be just like this. Okay, then you're going to draw a heart, just one side of the heart. Like this, you see, we have 1/2 of the heart and we're going to cut it down. Okay, we just cut down the heart. You see, this heart, we are not going to use it, so just put it aside. We are going to be using this paper. It's the one that we will be using, okay? Okay, remember that I told you that you could use either a white sheet of paper or a blue sheet of paper. So, here is a part where we are going to paste our cutted heart. If you don't have a blue paper, you can use a white one and you're gonna paste it on the top of your white paper with a little bit of tape. It doesn't have to be this tape. You can use any kind of tape that you have at home. Okay, in my case, I am going to use the blue paper, okay. So on my blue paper, I am going to paste my heart like this. Okay, you see, here is my heart and I just put little pieces of tape, okay, so my heart is a little bit pasted. Okay, now it comes the more fun part, okay? You're going to use your paintbrush, okay? It doesn't have to be like mine, just use your own paintbrush. And you're going to put a little bit of water in here and you're going to use your watercolor. The first thing we're going to do is use black, okay? If you don't have black watercolor, you can also make it with a black marker, okay? The thing here is we are going to start painting our tree, okay? I will put a little bit of water and I will take a little bit of black. And I'm going to start from the bottom to the top, okay? Like this. You can make another ones here, okay? So your tree looks more real, like this. And on the other side too. Okay, now I finished the base of my tree. You see, I've only used black, okay? Now we are going to paint the leaves, but this is going to be a special tree. This is going to be a special tree because it's going to be color red because it's a heart, okay? So this is what we're going to do. We are going to do it with our fingers, okay? You can use this finger or this finger or this or this or whichever finger you want to use, okay? You're going to take a little bit of water on your finger, okay? And then you're going to use some of your red colors, okay? Okay, like this. You see, now you're going to start putting the leaves of your tree just like this. Okay, now you could always have a napkin like me so you can clean your finger and just take another red. Remember, you can mix your colors. I teach you in class how to make the red lighter, how to make the red darker. You remember? This is darker. We are going to put more fingers like this until you fill it all. Okay, look, it doesn't matter if you go out of the line because we are going to take out this paper that we paste, okay? So don't worry if you're a little messy. Look what I'm doing. I'm using two fingers. In this finger, I'm using red, and in this finger, I'm using the lighter one, like this, okay? So now I can do this. And it's easier, it's more fun, and it's faster. Okay, now that I put as much red fingers as I could, I finished my red tree, but we are not finished yet, okay? Now I will ask you to go and wash your hands, okay? Very good, you have to have clean hands. Okay, you see, now that I have clean hands, I'm going to take the tape that I put very carefully so that you won't mess with your real artwork. And I'm going to take my white paper, okay, like this. This is garbage. We don't need this anymore, okay? So you see, we have a beautiful heart, but we are not finished yet. Now we are going to make this better. We are going to take our paintbrush. We are going to take more of our black and we are going to remark it again so that it's going to be perfect like this, okay? We can also make thicker like this, okay? You see how I'm making thicker? Like this until it goes to the ground, all the way to the ground, just like this, very carefully. Look, I make it thicker. Now, we can also remark these areas because we covered some of them with our fingers. So, we can remark them like this. The ones that are blurry, you see? Okay, now I finished with the lines, okay? And our tree is finished. Now we can write here a message for mom. I will write maybe, I love mom, I love you mom, happy Mother's Day. And for this, you can use any kind of markers, okay? So take out your markers and we are going to start writing a message in here. Okay, I finished. This is what I wanted to write down. You see, I just wrote down mom and I put my name on the bottom so my mom knows that I made it. You can write whatever you want here. The important thing is that you give your mom something that she will obviously like. Yay, we finished! So I really hope you enjoyed this class and I hope you had fun, and I really want to see all your pictures and all your photos with your trees and with your presents for your mom. Please send them to me so I can see your beautiful artworks, okay? Don't forget, I miss you and I love you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.